Next, page number 292, page 8.4. Give the IUPAC names of the following compounds. So first one, so 1, 2, 3, propyl, it is benzene. So propyl benzene. So first one is, so it has 1, 2, 3 carbons. IUPAC name is propyl benzene. Its IUPAC name is propyl benzene. Next, second one is, it is cyanide. Cyanide IUPAC is alkane nitrile. Alkane nitrile. So first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. Here, third place, it contains methyl. So 3 methyl, 5 carbons, pentane, nitrile. Pentane nitrile. IUPAC name is third place methyl. So totally 5 carbons pentane. Cl means nitrile. So cyanide IUPAC is alkane nitrile. So 3 methyl pentane nitrile. Next, the third one is, here see, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon, seventh carbon. So numbering is completed. Next, second place contains methyl and fifth place contains methyl. So 2, 5 dimethyl, 2, 5 dimethyl, 7 carbons, heptane. 2, 5 dimethyl, heptane. It is third one. Next, D. So it is the structure. Here longest chain is, it is first carbon, it is second carbon, it is third carbon, 4, 5, 6, 7. So third place contains chlorine and third place contains bromine in alphabetical order. So first bromine, 3 bromo, so 3 bromo, 3 chloro, 7 carbons, heptane. So contains 3 bromo, 3 chloro, heptane. Next one, E. So it is the aldehyde, COH aldehyde. It is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. Here, so its name is, third place contains substituted chloro, 3 chloro, so propanol. Propanol means aldehyde. All means aldehyde. OL means alcohol. OL means alcohol. Next, another one is, here it is the alcohol, Cl2. So its complete structure is CH2OH. It contains 2 chlorine atoms. So then its name is, so it is the first place, it is the second place. So second place contains substituted chlorine. So it is called 2,2-dichloro. So ethanol. It is all means aldehyde, ol means alcohol. So propyl benzene, 3 methyl pentane nitrile, alkane nitrile. Next, 2,5 dimethyl heptane, 3 bromo, 3 chloro heptane, 3 chloro propanol, 2,2 dichloro ethanol. So thank you. Please subscribe.